What is up guys, and welcome back to my vlog. For today's video is I'm gonna be unboxing these AirPods from Airpods Authentic PH. So I ordered these on their Facebook page because I've seen their advertisement. How should I pronounce it? I've seen their ads on Facebook and or Instagram since it has been a long time now na wala ko AirPods. So nag-order ko sa ilaha. I usually buy naka-afford mahalon AirPods on Facebook. Shopee. Yes, naputay. Murag legit authentic sealer of these AirPods. Nakalimot ko sa tawag silang murag factory. Not factory defect. Murag kuan. Kamu na lang mga tana oy. But the quality of the AirPods are of high quality. Are of high quality balik-balik. So, nasa sila yung ani, no? And then, the product itself. Mag-ani ako mag-unbox, maglangat-langkat sa madali. I don't have any scissors here. And, there you have it. Oops. Oh, we have free AirPods case. It's a rubber. And then, nakasilopin siya actually. Looks like authentic. If you're looking for a top grade, no, she said 100% original, but it is closer to the original. With charging case. This is the product. Kunting diri oy. Wait. Yes, I'm gonna use this one. MagSafe charging case. AirPods MagSafe charging case. Kahalo pa ani. Ayan. There you have it. Oops. 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 Tada! Nagtanataw diri kung nabay Apple sticker umulo. Char. Yes. This is the AirPods Gen 2. So there you have it. Let's build this baby. Ayan. And we have also a cord. Nasa free cord. And I think that's it. Walang lang siya. Ano i-try sang... I'm gonna try it on my iPhone 15 Pro if it is worth it. Kung good yung quality. So guys, if you're looking for AirPods that is of an affordable AirPods but without compromising its quality, check this one out from Authentic AirPods PH. That's it. Bye!